Hi everybody, it's Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here with a Artistic Studio Creations design team project. And I am in Liam's book, falling quite far behind actually, but I wanted to finish some up. So let's try and work on this double page spread. So I'm thinking here, I don't want to use, I don't want to put any adhesive on the back of this original, but I am going to cut it down to size, so I think I'm just going to slide it down in this pocket here. Okay, here we go. Yep, that fits. Okay, so and I'll be back in a little bit. finished the first double spread layout, I guess. It's just the back of the front, which this is the reveal party. And then I put the ultrasound, it's a boy, the one that they're holding here. And then I used the same letters that I used on the front page to spell out boy, and some Old October Afternoon for its A. And then on this page, I wanted to keep the rest of the ultrasounds in the original envelope with somebody's writing on it. I'm not sure whose, so I thought maybe it was significant. But the envelope stuck out just a little bit, so I went ahead and put a piece of a scrap that I cut off of the cut-aparts, I think. And then I used this We Are Memory Keepers tab punch and kind of just cobbled it together to make a little tab to pull out so that you could see that they're there. And I just hand wrote ultrasounds on there. I may fix that because it's not really that neat, but it's not going to be something that you like jumps out at you either. So alright, there's my 2-page layout for Artistic Studio Creations on Etsy, ASC Supplies. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your regular price order. And this is the Dreamland collection by Graphic 45. I don't know that they have any left, but head on over and look at all their other Graphic 45 because they get it all. So thanks a lot. Have a great day. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.